Hello friends, welcome to our new video. Let's see the today's problem. The today's question is Alexa and golf. Okay, so let's try to solve this. Okay, so here we have given a problem statement. The problem statement is Alexa will practice golf. Her objective is to get a carry distance that is a multiple of k. Okay, while she can only make a carry distance of between A and B inclusive. Okay, if she can achieve the objective, print OK. If he cannot, print NG. Okay, so in this problem, what we have to do, we have given some carry distance. Okay, carry distance between A and B. Okay, and we have given one integer k. Okay, and so here we have to check that if this distance between A and B is multiple of k or not. Okay, that means whatever the distance between A and B, is it possible that this distance is a multiple of k or not? Okay, that means if let's suppose there is a distance given 10 and 30. Okay, so between this 10 and 30, we have to check that if it is possible or there is this distance between 10 and 30 is multiple of the given number k. Okay, so let's suppose we have given the k, let's suppose 8. Okay, so we have to check that is there any distance present between 10 and 30 which is multiple of 8. Okay, so okay, so here there is a distance present which is 8 into 8, 16 is also present, and 24 is also present. Okay, and these are the two distances which is present between the 10 and 30. Okay, which is multiple of this 8, which is k, which we have given. Okay, so in this case we have to print okay. Okay, and let's suppose we have given the k equals to 18. So the multiple of 18 is present inside this. No, multiple of 18 is not present inside this two numbers. Okay, so we have to print in this case ng. Okay, so this is the problem statement which we have given. Okay, so here you can see that we have given some sample input and output for this problem. Okay, so here in this sample input, this is k. Okay, and this is two numbers which is A and B. Okay, so now here we have to check that if there is any number present between 500 and 600 which is multiple of 7. Okay, so we have to check that in the multiple of 7 is present between 500 and 600 or not. Okay, so there is a multiple of 7, I think 5, 6, 7. Okay, so here 5, 7 is also present in between these two numbers. Okay, so that is why we can print okay in this case. Okay, and here you can see that in this sample input we have given the two numbers 5 and 7. Okay, between these two numbers we have to check that if multiple of 4 is present between these two numbers or not. Okay, so 4 into 4, which is 8, which is not present in between these two numbers, so we have to print ng in this case. Okay, so this is the problem statement which we have given. Okay, now let's try to understand how we can solve this problem. Okay, so uh, what we can do simply, to solve this problem, first uh, we'll divide the b by k. Okay, first we divide the b by k and then we multiply this with again k. Okay, and let's suppose we'll store this inside some variable. Okay, and then uh, we check that if the number a is less than or equals to answer or not. Okay, if this is less than or equals to answer, then simply what we can do, will print okay. Else we have to print ng. Okay, so this is the one way you can solve this problem. Okay, so uh, we can solve this by using another approach as well. Okay, so another approach is what we can do simply, first we have to write two, three conditions, 1 to 2 conditions here. That is, first we are going to check that if a mod k is equals to 0. Okay, this we are going to check, and again we'll write or, then we'll check if a divide by k, a divided by k is not equals to b divided by k. Okay, we are going to check this condition. If this condition is, if this is true, then what we can do, simply we are going to print okay. Else we are going to print ng. Okay, so by using these approaches you can solve this problem. Okay, now let's try to write the code for this problem. Okay, so first we will write a scanner is equals to new scanner, then system dot in. Okay, then we have given integer k equals to sc dot next int, then integer a equals to sc dot next int, then integer b equals to sc dot next int. Okay, these are the three numbers which we have given. Okay, then what we can do here, uh, okay, so simply we can use here if else condition, or you can use the ternary operator as well. So I'm going to use the if else. So I will write if a mod, sorry, small a mod a is equals to 0, or a by k is not equals to b by a. Okay, if this is true, we have to print Okay, and the else we have to print ng. Okay, so this is the code for this problem. Let's see whether it works or not. So I'll copy this input, paste it, click on run. Error. Okay, okay, is not equals to b divided by k. Okay. Click on run. Okay, you can see that output is okay for this. Okay, so then I'll see for this sample input. So I'll copy this, let's paste it, click on run. For that out, this output should be ng. Let's see. Okay, you can see that output is ng. Okay, so this is the code for this problem. Now let's try to submit it. So click on submit. Okay, here you can see that all the test cases has been passed. Okay, so दैट्स इट इन दिस वीडियो। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। ओके, सो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।